Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Preeti, your life coach and law of attraction guide. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a very powerful manifestation technique called 55 into 5 method or 555 method. Now this method of manifestation is amazingly powerful. You can achieve any goal or desire that you want using this method. And this method is very simple, so anybody can use this and follow it. The only thing is that you have to follow all the instructions properly. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the 55 into 5 method correctly so that you're able to achieve your goals. Let's begin. So to start with, first decide what your goal is. What is it that you're trying to manifest? In the beginning, choose one goal. Don't try to think about, I want to manifest my relationship and I want a new job. No. Pick one goal and stick to it. You're going to focus on that particular goal. The next step is think about what the outcome you want for that goal. For example, you want a new car, or you want a new job, or you want a promotion at your current job. Whatever your goal is, just think about what the final outcome is. And then write that in one single sentence. So your sentence could be that I want a new car, or I want to be in a loving relationship. Whatever your outcome is, just think about in one single sentence. And the key here is to make that sentence in the present tense and as if it has already happened. So you can say, I am manifesting my dream job, or I am manifesting a promotion at my current job. I am manifesting a loving, healthy relationship. So whatever your goal is and the outcome for that is, the sentence should be as if you have already manifested it and it is happening in the present tense. Alright? The next step is to write this sentence. So take your journal or your notebook that you have for this manifestation exercise and write this sentence 55 times. So the same sentence you're going to repeat over and over again. So you can say, I am manifesting my dream job. I am manifesting my dream job. So you're writing that 55 times. And you're going to do this same exercise for 5 days. So you're writing the statements for 55 times each day and doing it for 5 continuous days. Alright, so this is 55 into 5. So what you're essentially doing is that you're programming your subconscious mind with this positive outcome that you are thinking about. So because you're writing it for so many times over and over again for multiple days, what you're doing is giving it positive energy, and that positive energy will attract from the universe whatever your desired goal is. So this is very simple. Now I'm going to tell you what the key things are that you need to keep in mind while doing this 55 into 5 manifestation technique. The first most important thing is do not miss a day. So you have to do it for 5 days and do it for 5 days continuously. It's not like you can write for 2 days and then after missing 2 days come back. No, that's not going to work. You need to start on day 1 and end on day 5 continuously. Okay? The next thing is you need to write as if it is already happening and in the present tense. So you're not writing, I wish to have a dream car. No, that's wrong, because that way you're putting the energy in the future. You want it to happen right now. So write things as if it's already there in the present tense. Example, I am manifesting my dream business, or my business is booming, or I have financial prosperity. So whatever is in the present tense as if it is already happening, write it in that way. Alright? The next thing is, you need to write all 55 statements in the same day. So you are writing the statements 55 times all in one day. So you can't write 20 times and say, oh, the remaining times I will carry forward to the next day. No, that's not going to work. So one day you're going to write 55 times. The next day, 55 times. So that way you're not carrying over any statements to the next day. Got it? The next thing is, you have to write it down. You cannot type it on your phone or your laptop. No. You cannot just say, oh, I'm going to think about it 55 times. No, that's not going to work. You have to physically write it with a pen or paper in your journal or in your notebook or whatever it is, but you have to write it, because the act of writing is going to energize those statements. And once you add energy to those statements, the positive energy from that thought, that desire, is going to attract similar positive energy from the universe, and you will ultimately manifest whatever you desire. Alright? The next thing is, before you start writing, make sure that you are in a place where you will not be disturbed. You can focus on your writing. Don't write it where, 10 people are sitting or it's very noisy. No, that's not going to work. What you need to do is find a very quiet, calm place where nobody's going to disturb you for, say, half an hour or 1 hour, how much ever time it takes for you to write it 55 times. So find a quiet place. And before you start doing it, take a few deep breaths. Make sure you're in a positive mindset. And then start writing. If you feel you're very disturbed, or if you are not able to focus, you're distracted, or you're a little upset or sad about something, don't do this exercise at that time. What you can do is, you can go and listen to one of my meditations or listen to an affirmation so that your vibrational energy will increase. You'll feel in a much better mood. You'll feel more confident. And when you're in that positive state of mind, then you can start writing. So having that positive attitude and mindset is very, very important before you do this exercise. Now, what are some of the other things that you can do to get even better results? So when you write this statement, for example, I am manifesting my dream job, you can write that and say, thank you, universe. You don't need to write it. You can just say, thank you, universe, after every statement. So that way, you're also adding your practice of gratitude to this. So you're saying your desire and then thanking the universe for giving you that desire. So that way, you are mixing two things. One is the 55 into 5 method as well as gratitude. So that will just supercharge your practice. The next thing you can do is you can read out each statement after you write it. So you're writing down, I am manifesting my soulmate. You're writing that down and you can repeat it out loud. So that way, you're not only writing down and adding energy, you're verbalizing, you're saying it out and adding more energy to it. So you're adding extra energy, which is always a good thing. And always remember that when you are writing, be in a very positive mindset. So I've said this before, but this is a key ingredient. You need to feel how you're going to feel when you achieve that dream job. You're going to feel how much love you're going to feel when you are with your soulmate. So whatever your desire is, how are you going to feel when you actually achieve those desires? Think about that. And as you're writing, bring those emotions to the fore. Have those emotions in you and thank the universe for giving you those positive emotions at that time. So what you're doing is you're adding your emotions, and that is going to help you manifest faster. Don't have a doubt that, oh, is this going to work? When will I be able to achieve this? No doubts, no questioning. Just have full faith that the universe is going to honor your request and bring you whatever your heart desires. So this is a very, very simple, easy technique. You just need to take care that you follow all these instructions that I've given you. Do that and you will see results. And how long before you see results? Some people see it within 5 days, some people within a week or a month. It really depends on how properly and correctly you are following these techniques. So I encourage each one of you to try this technique with an open heart and complete faith and see the results for yourself. Please comment down below and let me know if you have tried 55 into 5 method before and what results have you got. And after watching the video, when you try this method, you can come back and let me know what positive results you got. I am very sure that each one of you is going to be able to manifest whatever you want. Doesn't that sound wonderful? I hope this video has helped you understand this powerful method of 55 into 5 manifestation technique. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.